God bless you. My name is Pastor Terry Skeppel. I am so excited that you have joined me on Bible on the Go. Well, last Wednesday night, we discussed the genealogy and the lineage of Jesus. Yes, we talked about Jesus' family tree. Oh, I tell you, I understand that Jesus is royalty and he has royalty in his family. He has kings, he has priests. But let me tell you, last Wednesday night, we discovered that there is a prostitute, yes, a prostitute and a liar in the family and the lineage of Jesus. OMG. This Wednesday night, join me again. There is excitement, there is adventure in the life of Jesus Christ. From 7 to 7:45, contact your family, shake your family tree, invite a neighbor, a friend. This Wednesday night, tomorrow night, from 7 to 7:45, I will see you there.